Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Forcestop on the application of Indeed job. The problem of Forcestop on Indeed job search, you will click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will go here to Indeed job search and you will click. In this page of app info you will go to Forcestop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget